Sineni guerinata, omogia piarola. Sineni guerinata, ndi moro kwa piarola. Sineni guerinata, omogia piarola. Sineni guerinata, ndi moro kwa piarola. Shalalabarado, sinanabarada, more. Your children are gathered here, Lord. Come and show thyself. Bube, 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 bube. Amaram nigeme. Nige mere miyako bidi mama. Amaram nige me yao. Nige mi hinchi buruji. Amaram nige me yao. Nige me miyako bidi mama. Amaram nige me yanchi. Nige me is your heart desire? I don't know what is your heart desire. But this God is well able to do exceedingly, abundantly, above all you may ask or think about. The Bible very clear that the expectation of the righteous shall not be cut short. Child of God, be expectant. In this atmosphere, anything can happen. Anything can happen. The lame can walk. The blind can see. The dead can rise again. Because the Lord himself is here. Your time has come. I don't know what is making you to shed tears. I don't know what is making you to cry day and night. But I hear the Spirit of God say, your time has come. Your time of liberty has come. The heavens are open. The angels are descending with your answer. The power of God is here. Stop weeping, stop crying. The Lord said your time has come. Child of God, wipe your tears. Let the Lord walk in your life. before. Yes, he can do it again. He has done it before. Sweetheart, this God can do it again. I say he has done it before. Anyway, he's here to do it for you. This God has done it before. There is no need to cry. There is no need to dance. He has done it before. Yeah, he's here to do it again. I don't know where you have been before. I don't know where God has taken you to. And your enemies has brought you down from there. I am here to announce to you that I said God who did it before, he is here to do it again in your life. I see the chains of the wicked. I see the evil works of the wicked falling off from your life, falling off from everything that pertains to you. I do not know where they have kept you. I don't know what went wrong in your business. I don't know what went wrong in your marriage. But the Lord said, I have done it before. I am here to do it again. Worship him. Worship him. Give him the glory because great things are about to happen in your life. Give him the glory because great things are about to spring forth from that your down moments, from that your down situation. If the Lord can turn around the case of the dry bones in Ezekiel chapter 37, who told you that God will not change your case? Who told you that God will not change your situation? Come on, worship him. Give him the glory. Worship his majesty. Worship his majesty. Give him the glory that is due unto him. Let your praise ascend to his throne. Let your worship ascend to his throne. Let God hear your voice. Let God hear you speak to him right now. I don't know what has brought you to this mountain. I don't know what has brought you to the presence of God. But I'm here to announce to you that when Judah goes forth, there must be a release. There must be a deliverance. There must be an answer because God inhabits the praise of his people.